All right, class. So now we will be going through our Nearpod activity. We are going to be talking about feelings. So you just went through the explore stage, and so now we are going to talk about feelings and talk about what we learned. So we have emotions and we have facial expressions. So emotions are how a person feels on the inside. You can also call these feelings. It's something you feel. So some examples of these are happy, sad, mad, confused, calm, bored. There's a bunch of different emotions. A facial expression shows how a person feels on the outside, on their face. So you could be smiling, you could be frowning, you could be glaring, your jaw could be dropped, you're surprised, you could roll your eyes, you could raise your eyebrows. There's lots of different facial expressions. Now we have our feelings charts that can kind of show us the emotion and the facial expression. So when we see here, we see that the happy person is smiling. We see that the worried person has its eyebrows down. With this one, a hurt person is wincing, it's squeezing its eyes. So we can see a lots of examples of these and we can practice them. Next, for this activity, I want you to draw an emotion that you are feeling today. So let me get to the marker. Here we go. You can pick a color. And I'm going to do a happy face, but you can draw whatever emotion you feel today. Now, empathy. So, what is empathy? Empathy is kind of a big word. Empathy means understanding other people's feelings and why. So, maybe your friend is sad. Why do they feel that way? And how do we know that they're sad? And how do we affect other people's feelings? Our actions and words. So, when we do something or say something, it can impact other people, good or bad. And here's a video on empathy from Class Dojo that you will watch on your own. And respectful behavior. So we'll be watching a video that teaches us a song about respect. And respectful behavior can help our friends, like we just said, feel good things from our actions and words. So how can we show empathy with our respectful behavior? You can put yourselves in others' shoes, which means, how would they feel if I did this or said this? We can think about what they would feel. It's like the golden rule. Would you do it to them if they did it to you? You could be respectful. So the respectful behaviors you just watched and learned. You can be respectful to your teachers, your friends, your siblings, all kinds of people. And you can help those in need. It's always good to help those in need. It could be a stranger or it could be someone you know very well. What else could we do? Do you have any ideas? You'll go to this next slide. It's called the collaboration board. So you and your classmates will write an idea how you can show empathy. Hmm. I'm going to say sharing with my friends. Then you hit this button and it pops up here. So you will do that as well. And that is all for our little lesson.